now at least I'm recording.
Well, it really tastes like.
Oh, these are cool. Little chopstick bowls. There you go, get yourself some coffee. Yeah, must be. Over that way. Walk down the street that way a little bit. I was walking around that whole time without it on.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Turn it on.
I had it on, but I wasn't recording. Huh?
Is it recording now?
Yeah, I got it recording now. That was a practice run. Nice day. Locally made souvenirs. Oh, that's cool. See that over there? I definitely would definitely will ride my one wheel down the street. Huh? No, not the sidewalk, the street. Oh yeah, this is definitely yummy. Look at the sloths.
That dragon's also a finger puppet. Look underneath. You can put your finger up in. It's a finger puppet.
This is a finger puppet.
You got a good one. Yep. All right, then 1, 2, 3. One more. I'm gonna get a macaroni or Uncle Kevin.
You guys want to put these in a bag here?
I don't know if they're gonna stand up.
Okay, you want to put it
Seems reasonable.
Exactly our cost.
Oh yeah, look at this
That's
place.
the one he was talking about, Pennsylvania Macaroni Co. That's really good pasta.
Wow.
That looks really good.
I think I can smell it out here. Let's say wine juice. What the heck is wine juice? See Frank in the back for the wine juice. I don't know. It looks like they might have it beat. What? What is it? What? Use your words. Opera legend Lucio Pavarotti was in the story today. Okay. I don't want that. No, I was just saying use your words. Yeah, I would say, yeah, this is pretty major right here.
Well, look how many spices you can get.
Looks like I'm in the wrong place. Sunset Ranch. Sunset Ranch. Oh, look.
Yeah.
I was looking at
Excuse me. Oh, this place just goes on and on. Oh yeah, this is definitely the food adventure right here. Oh,
Drew comes in town, she got a whole bunch of stuff for him
they'll just sit in the car for a while.
to do. Right.
Oh my goodness, this place is huge. Oh, okay, these are here's the checkout. The wine juice?
Yeah.
Kind of part of the process of that's squeezing the grapes. So we're one step ahead by selling bucket. So let's say you make a Cabernet Sauvignon. Get red yeast and stir it for 5 days. Then put it in a carpet, airlock, and every 3 minutes you have to crack it off. And then clean the cardboard, put it back, put the airlock on it. And about a year,
It's an investment.
Yeah.
a year,
Sounds like it.
It's a camera. It's a 360 camera. So it allows me to like walk around and get everything. And when I get home, I get I saw that and I saw that.
So is it wine? Or is it juice?
Okay. Everything's in there. Your receipt is right. Oh, you put it in the truck already? Oh, excellent. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name's Rico.
Rita. Rita Suave.
That's the first time you heard that, right?
I bet that's definitely not the first time.
Long time ago.
Ooh. Yeah. price. Some nice prosciutto. Is that octopus? It looks like octopus. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's when you come out of it. Oh, so this place is gigantic.